What I see people engage with the most on social media and stuff like that is when I spend an absurd amount of time on a tiny detail that a lot of other people might not have the time or the patience to do. Because something that I feel like I've been working on the most with myself alongside my woodworking journey is just practicing patience, and that pays off. My name is Olof Davidsson. I've been a woodworker for about 9 years now. I have a workshop here in Sweden where I make a lot of small things like boxes and smaller furniture. What I love about woodworking is all the different kinds of things you can do with it, because I'm a person that easily get bored, but with woodworking I haven't got bored any days since. Maybe after a full day of sanding I get a little bit bored, but there's just so many things you can learn and so many things you can try out. You might be asking yourself why we're making a whole masterclass about knobs and handles and latches. But when you think about it, it's oftentimes, at least when it comes to boxes and cabinets, the only part of the furniture that you actually touch and engage with. So it's really important that you get the feeling right, and it doesn't always come naturally in the design process. Now is the time to add elements. So I like to make a finger recess that pretty much just show you where you should push on the latch. I hope the people that watch this get my perspective on handles and knobs and the latches and understand how a latch works. I want to show you the mistakes I made early on so you don't have to do them yourself. And hopefully you get some ideas on how you can incorporate in your own furniture.